Welcome to our channel where today we'll guide you step by step on how to buy USDC stablecoin on Gemini. With ease, welcome to our channel where today we'll guide you step by step on how to buy USDC stablecoin on Gemini. With ease, buying USDC stablecoin on Gemini is a straightforward process that anyone can follow regardless of experience. First, you need to create an account on Gemini by visiting their official website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Next, you will be prompted to enter personal details such as your full name, email address, and a strong password. After filling out the form, submit it to move to the identity verification step. Gemini takes security very seriously, so be prepared to upload identification documents like a government-issued ID and possibly a proof of address. Once your identity is verified, you can proceed with funding your account. Gemini offers a variety of funding methods, including bank transfer, wire transfer, or debit card. Choose the option that best suits you and follow the instructions to deposit funds into your Gemini account. After your funds are successfully deposited, it is time to buy USDC. Navigate to the Buy Crypto tab on the Gemini interface, search for USDC in the cryptocurrency list, and select it. You will then be asked to enter the amount of USDC you wish to purchase. The platform will show you the equivalent cost in your deposited currency. Review the transaction details carefully, including any fees that might apply. When you are ready, confirm the purchase by clicking on the Buy button. Your USDC stablecoins will be credited to your Gemini wallet promptly. Now you can hold your USDC in Gemini or transfer it to an external wallet for additional security and control. Remember to always enable two-factor authentication in your account settings to add an extra layer of protection to your digital assets. Buying USDC on Gemini is not only easy, but also secure, which makes it a great choice for those looking to enter the stablecoin market without hassle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful crypto guides.